Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn apply privacy on profile picture. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your profile and click on your profile picture. Once you click on your picture, you will see the eye icon and anyone button. You have to click on this button. Once you click on this button, the pop-up will appear on the screen and you will see these options on the screen. So here you can adjust your privacy and choose your right one from these options. So in this option, LinkedIn members able to connect directly to you, and if you go with this second option, in this option, people who are connected to you with 3 degrees will be able to see your profile picture. And this third one is for members of LinkedIn. All the LinkedIn members will be able to see your profile picture. Or if someone is out from LinkedIn, will not be able to see your profile picture. And in this option, people who are member of LinkedIn, or if anyone who is not member of LinkedIn, or anyone who haven't account on LinkedIn, will be able to see your profile picture on LinkedIn. So you can adjust your privacy over here and save it by clicking this save button. So guys, this is how to apply privacy on profile picture in LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.